Welcome, young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things, starting with the letter G. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, a giraffe. Look at this tall friend. It's a giraffe. Can you say giraffe? They've got very long necks and spotted skin, and they live in Africa. Their necks are so tall because they eat leaves off the top of the trees. Number 2, grass. Green, soft, and perfect for picnics. This is grass. You may have some grass at your house if you have a garden. Perfect for picnics, but I'm not sure about eating. Number 3, guitar. A guitar is a musical instrument with lots of strings on. And when you strum it, which is when you hit it with your fingers, it makes a sound. Lots of people play guitar and it sounds really good. Number 4, a globe. A globe is a small model of the Earth showing all the different countries. Number 5, a garden. You might have a garden in your house at the front or the back. You may even have a very, very small garden or a very, very large garden. Gardens are great because you can plant anything you like in them. Doesn't that look lovely? Number 6, goggles. Now this little girl, she's wearing goggles to swim underwater to cover her eyes. And this chap, he's using goggles in a laboratory to cover his eyes. Number 7, a goat. A goat is a lovely animal you'll often find on a farm. They're very friendly. This one certainly likes to eat leaves. Number 8, grapes. Grapes grow in bunches, and they grow on something called a vine. There's lots of different types of grapes. Like here, you've got red grapes, green grapes, and black grapes. Very delicious, and they make a nice juice. Number 9, gingerbread. Gingerbread is often associated with winter and Christmas. You can make a gingerbread house, and gingerbread men, and gingerbread trees. Very nice. Give it a go next Christmas. Finally, number 10, a galaxy. So this is the Milky Way. Our sun is one of 100 billion stars in a galaxy. And then there's billions of galaxies. So there's billions and billions and billions of stars. Amazing. Thanks so much. See you again.